How ready for retirement are you? According to the Employee Benefit Research Institute, 54% of workers have less than $25,000 saved. Obviously, your income is going to influence how you retire, but it's also really important not to make mistakes while you're working, especially when you're young. First mistake? Thinking you can both look rich and be rich. Living above your means is the primary reason people with adequate income often end up poor. Mistake number 2, not saving early enough. If you can save just $10 a day and earn 8% on it, over your 40-year working life, you'll accumulate nearly $1 million. Because of compounding, small and soon beats large and later. Third best way to end up poor: pay interest. Adding interest onto what you pay for things can double or even triple their price. That is not the road to riches. The only times you should borrow money: when your back's against the wall, when what you're buying is going to go up in value by more than what you're paying in interest, and when you're trying to make yourself poorer. And speaking of borrowing, when you have to borrow big, like for a mortgage, having bad credit means paying thousands more. That's money that could have made you richer. Then there's planning. Not taking advantage of retirement plans at work means paying more in taxes, having less for retirement, and maybe missing matching money. Bottom line, some people, even with an adequate income, are going to retire poor when they didn't have to. Don't be one of those people. Learn more. Go to MoneyTalksNews.com and do a search for retirement. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacey Johnson.